did my makeup and now we're making breakfast. Tim realized he had bought potatoes and they were kind of going bad, so we have lots of potato things making. Well, here we have roasted potatoes, and then here these are going to be mashed potatoes, and then this is an omelet with some onions that Tim's making. See, I'm switching it up. I'm not gonna have oatmeal this morning. I'm gonna have an omelet instead. I'm excited.
Always foods for the week too.
Oh, that's good. Also, while Tim is finishing up cooking at breakfast, I'm gonna put this laundry away. Oh, look, I wanna show you a super duper exciting thing. Now, it's a complete mess, but it's working, and there's a lot of different things that we're going to be doing to this very soon. Ignore all of this. I actually think I'm gonna have to clean this all out today because Tim is gonna be using this wood to build a shelf to like make this higher or something. I guess I could have used a small plate, but that's okay. Got some ketchup. The only thing at this breakfast is missing is some toast. I don't think we have any bread though. We're gonna be going to the grocery store later, so I have to get bread. So my video just went live. It's 5 healthy morning routine habits to try, different ones that I have recently started doing. Also, this was really good. I finished my breakfast. So now that the video is live, I'm gonna go do my nails. I feel like they are, well, obviously a complete disaster. So we're gonna redo those and then clean out the fridge, make a list of what I need to buy at the grocery store, and then we're gonna go do the laundry, just fold that, put it away, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store. Did my nails, and now I'm actually still hungry. So I'm gonna have a little bit of oatmeal. Not as much as I normally do because obviously I already had eggs and potatoes, so I'm not too hungry, but I do want a little bit. So right now I'm just eating my second breakfast. This is so good. And watching Brittany Vassar's Massive Clean and Organize with me. I love her channel. Also, look what I finally put up yesterday. I'm so excited. I've literally had that mirror sitting on the other side of my room in the corner for like a year and a month since last January when I first moved in, and I finally put it up. I'm so happy. But I'm gonna sit here, eat this second breakfast, and watch the YouTube video. Okay, so it's now like 11 a.m.-ish, and I'm going to fold all this laundry and put it away. Before I go grocery shopping, I like to make a menu for myself for the week. I'm the type of person where I'm fine eating the same thing pretty much every day, but I do try and get myself to switch it up a little bit. So this week I'm gonna write out a little menu for myself, and then we're gonna go do an inventory of the kitchen, see what we have, what we need, and then we can go to the grocery store. Okay, so here's my menu. For breakfast, I have oatmeal or cereal, probably oatmeal, but you know, it's good to have a box of cereal in case I'm running a little bit late, I don't have time to make it, or I just want to have cereal instead. For my first snack around like 10 o'clock, I like to have a piece of fruit, normally like an orange or an apple or something. And then my work provides us with like a whole bunch of nuts, so I'll grab some almonds so I don't have to buy those, they're already at my work. And then for lunch, I like to do my rice, veggie burger, and peas. That's pretty much a staple. Once in a while I'll switch it up, but that's what I've really been loving, and that's fine for this week. And then for my second snack around 2 or 3 o'clock, I like to have a protein shake. So I bring that to work with me, put it in the fridge in a shaker cup so that I can just shake it up and drink it. And then dinner, I want to have my tacos again. I actually already have taco shells and the veggie turkey, so I just need to get a few other things for that. And then my third snack, depending on what time I have dinner and everything, I'll sometimes have a third snack, which is, I like to have either like crackers with peanut butter or an apple with peanut butter or something. Go through what we have and write down what we're going to have to buy from the grocery store. So you can see I added bullets under each little meal. That way I know exactly what I have to get. I can just check it off as I go, and it's super easy to make sure I don't forget anything. And I was thinking about doing a whole how I meal prep for the week type of video, because I don't necessarily actually make my lunch for every day and store it in the fridge. So that's what we're gonna get at the grocery store, and then plus whatever Tim needs. And now we have to go actually move everything from in here. All of this stuff is being donated. I might actually take those clothes to Plato's Closet and see if I can get any money from them. I'm not sure, but we're gonna, if not, I'll just donate them. And then all of this stuff is going to go to a thrift store or like a donation center. Oh, I'm so excited for this to finally be all done. But right now I am going to throw a wash in. Okay, so my leggings are from Lululemon. These same boots I always wear. My sweater is from TJ Maxx, and then my coat is from Target. So when we went to the mall, I was looking for a top to wear because Tim and I are going to be going on a party bus for his friend's birthday in a few weeks. And I found this from Windsor. I really like the front. I don't know if I like the back has like a mesh. Can you see that? I kind of like it, but I also kind of don't. I don't know, let me know what you think. And then I would just wear it with jeans and then probably boots. I believe it's March 7th, so hopefully it will be a little bit warmer than it is right now, but I really, really like the front. I don't know if I like the mesh. Let me know what you think. Also, we didn't end up going grocery shopping. We went and got sushi instead. We were both really hungry and we were like thinking about what we could make at home without going grocery shopping. So we were trying to think about what we could make. We realized that we do have a decent amount of food we can just make tonight and tomorrow, and then tomorrow is President's Day and I don't have work, and he gets out of work at like 2 or 3, so we'll just go tomorrow, which will be fine. Also, I'm taking these jeans off so I can put my leggings back on.